wrap, straddle, drop. Woo! Dropping always makes me nervous, no matter how many times I do it. I'll let you guys see my hand after as I shake. Make sure that you watch this to the end. At the end, I will show the full version of the drop. But before that, I'll show you the modified version of the drop. So start with your hammock, no lower than behind your knees. This drop, the head doesn't actually get that close to the ground. So if it is a little bit lower, to make the most of your hammock, that's okay. If you are a bit more nervous, then you can lift your hammock up higher to about 1 inch below the pubic bone should be good. Because we want to get the most of the fabric, or the double wrap of the legs is next to impossible. Take the fabric to your sacrum, that's right at the top of your bum crack, and wrap the hands around the hips. Bend the knees, lean back into the fabric. Hands go up a little bit higher. Open your legs wide into a straddle. Then hook your toes around the fabric. Climb the hands up above your feet. Bring the legs into the center, double knee hook. Open the legs up, climb up higher. Open the legs wide for a straddle. Single wrap straddle. We've got to double it. Pull up with your hands, point your feet down, slide the fabric between your legs so it's as close to your bum cheeks as possible. Straddle back again, press with the hands, open the legs wide, wrap your feet. Fabric is double wrapped around the thighs, not close to the knees. Reach the hands up above your feet, pull up with the upper body, double knee hook, open the legs wide, double straddle. Flex both of your feet. Reach with one hand, grab onto the big toe. Then reach with the other hand, grab onto the other big toe. This drop is only for advanced practitioners. I recommend having a spotter there to help you the first time through. If you're not sure how to spot this, come see me for a Sky Yoga teacher training. The modified version, we bend the knees as we drop. So tuck in your chin, look down, bend the knees, drop, bring your feet together. Second version, straddle the legs wide, lift yourself up, reach the hands nice and high to the ceiling, pull up with the hands, bring your legs together, lean backwards, open the legs wide, double wrap the thighs, hook the toes, climb the hands up to the ceiling, lift up, open your legs wide to a straddle, again flex the feet, grab onto your big toes. Hold tight with the fingers. Keep the legs nice and strong. The head goes down to the ground. The legs remain straight the whole time. Oh, drop it like it's hot. Whee! Keep the legs strong. Grab onto the fabric. Pull yourself up to the center. Bring the legs together. Pull up. Both hands to one side. Lift the opposite leg up to slide your leg out. Step the feet to the floor and unwind the second leg. Thanks for watching, guys. And now I got the shakes. Dropping always makes me nervous. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.